decided to get out and try to catch some fish. We have fires all around us. Smoke's like, I don't know, between 2 and 550 over the last 2 weeks. So I got up this morning and split a cord of firewood. And I started to mess around with my battery bank because I'm converting the kitchen solar system into lithium. But I was like, I'm gonna run up here to this river that's about, where I'm going is about 4 miles from Canada, and see if I can land a couple trout. I didn't bring my fly rod, I'm just gonna use the ultralight and see how it goes. Man, the water is really low. Usually when I start, start right here, and it's usually, I'm usually in like at least 2 feet of water. And I'll fish this river all the way until September, late October even. It gets a little cold up here. The elevation is close to 4,000 feet. This river mostly is rainbows, whitefish. Occasionally you'll catch a cutthroat, but it's mostly red rainbow trout. If I have a lot of time, I'll bring my fly rod, but I'm just trying to get into some action and then get back to the house, finish my chores. And I just lost one. Didn't have the camera rolling. I'm wearing my Meta glasses. My kids got them for me for Father's Day. But I really don't like the way they frame when you look at the video. It's specifically for iPhones. Doesn't look well on YouTube. I'm using a 5/16 rooster tail with the barbs filed down. There's a bunch of little trout right there. Uh-oh. Here we go. Ooh, Ooh, hey, Meadow, record. Ooh. Oh. Oh, don't get the brush. Oh, shit. Nope, 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 nope. Oh, crap. That's a nice little rainbow. Oh, shit. Oh, look at that. Come here. There you go, buddy. Hey, Meta, stop recording. Oh, shit. That was a nice fish. You can see 3 or 4 nice ones sitting right in this hole here. If I had my fly rod, I'd be crushing right now. Oh, come get it, baby. Come get it. There we go. Ow. Oh. That made life easier. Oh, shit. Come here, buddy. Ooh. Uh-oh. Shit. Gotcha. Dude. Oh.
So my friend is a nurse. Well, she's more than a friend. If she hears that, she'll be offended. And she got me these really cool You might be going home with me. Ah! Anyway, my battery went dead. She got me these really cool suture scissors or whatever. I don't know, I'm not a doctor. But they work really well. There we go. Small one. Gone. Dang it. I wouldn't really mind getting wet, but I brought my phone with me in case the fires change directions and start working towards my house. They're like 7 miles away, but the way the wind moves around here is could be easily half the distance in the next 3 hours. Smoke's not even that bad here, which is surprising. You just know there's a big fish in here. Or not so big, but oh, it's all right. Try again. It's really deep right here, probably, well, not really deep, but at least 8 feet. There we go. Hey, buddy. I'll make things worse than it has to be. I'm not going to eat you. You're not big enough. And I forgot my net. I don't want to walk all the way back to the truck and get it. You're kidding me, right? Adios, buddy. Are you kidding me right now? I almost hooked him again. I posted a video of me at the lake paddling around, and somebody asked me why I'm not getting ready for winter. It's like I've been doing this for 12 years. I know exactly what it takes to get ready for winter, and I'm actually ahead of the game because we didn't get enough snow last year, and I was able to put up 8 cords of wood plus what I was burning. I cut a cord this morning, split it and stacked it. Puts me at 9, and I usually like to have 10 so that I have 3 that are well seasoned going into next year. Of course, we're having the super El Nino, supposedly, I don't know. And for me, that doesn't change much because I'm at 4,000 feet. So the last time we had an El Nino, like a good El Nino, that was the 2016, 15-16 winter. Oh shit. What the heck? And I got 6 feet of snow almost that year, so who knows? But I'm gonna start rewiring my solar. I changed my kitchen. I have a 48 volt that runs the house, and then I put my refrigerator and my kitchen on a separate 24 volt. And those batteries are Rolls Surrettes. Had them for 7 years. They're still good, but I had bought an Echo Worthy for my trailer, which I really like. So I'm gonna buy a second one of those and then just put them on the fridge for this winter. Take those lead acids and give them to my neighbor down the road who still uses trolling motor batteries from Walmart. I'm gonna catch a big one right here. All right. Maybe not. Oh, damn it. I put in like another 1,000 watts of panels. Well, 990 watts. There we go. Which puts me at 2,400, right at 2,400 on the kitchen. And then I still have 6,000 running the rest of the house. Which is more than enough. Remember, I haven't really turned my generator on that much this year, or this winter. Maybe 4 times, I think, total. Uh-oh. This could be trouble. Swim, little buddy. Hey, meta record. Oh, come on. Stop recording. Meta stop. Meta stop recording. Hey Meta, stop recording. Ah, too small, too small. Oh man. God dang it. Okay. So I caught a little smallmouth a minute ago and I didn't film it. I very rarely catch smallmouth on this end of the river. On the other side, this river flows quite a ways. I've caught them maybe like on the actual other side, which is a good 40 miles from here. This river kind of horseshoes. There we go. Oh, not bad. Dude, I'm gonna let you go. Yeah, my word. Just stop. Got some pretty cool stuff going on. I got another glacier hike coming up in like a month. And while I'm over there, I'm looking at, there we go. I'm looking at, lost it. I'm looking at 2 properties. I'm not gonna say exactly where, but they're between Eureka, Montana and Gila, Montana. One is 60 acres, the other one is 31 acres. And I'm hoping that I can pick one and then next year start building. I want to build a nice A-frame because my house is just kind of like, I framed in a pole barn and then I just started building around it because I was in a hurry. This time I want to make a really sweet A-frame, which I've never built before, and completely off grid, of course. I looked at one in Helena, which I really liked. It was like $450K for 30 acres, which I thought was weird. And then I realized that the property was at 7,000 feet. And you are not getting in the middle of the winter unless you, there we go, unless you have snowmobiles or at least tracks. Like I could handle plowing that much snow because I plow quite a bit of snow. This is 7 miles from the nearest maintained road, and I plow 6 miles right now. But I don't deal with the kind of drifts that the realtor was telling me about, where you wake up and there's 4 feet of drifts and you're just kind of stuck. Not quite ready for that. But it was a really, really nice piece of land, and you could tell that all kinds of wildlife was passing through. I always feel like I'm going to come across a snake, but I never really see rattlesnakes above 3,000 feet. It's usually, I don't know, 2,000 and below. When I was in Idaho fishing the Clearwater, I ran into a snake, but I think I was around 1,800 feet and I was down like lower than where I wound up eventually camping at for a week. But you always got to be careful. I lived at my house. I've never seen a rattlesnake. The highest I've ever seen them there, I think, was, like I said, like 2,200 feet, and that was in the middle of summer on the road. Once you get above like 3,500, I've never seen one. I'm not saying they're not there. I'm just saying I've never seen one. When I was in high school, I used to fish with this guy named George Brook. Me, him, his brother Eddie. But his brother Eddie was older than me, so it was me and George. And George ran track and I played football. And in between that, because one's a spring sport and one's a fall sport, and we were in Texas, we would basically go on these crazy fishing adventures. You know, this is back when gas was $1 a gallon and you put $3 in your car and you could go just about anywhere. But the thing that bothered me about George is when we were done fishing, we would just hop out of the river and walk down the road, and I never understood that. I can't do that. I have to fish my way back. And I bring my friend with me. She does not like it when I say just let me cast one more time. Because one more time is never ever one more time. And I think that is the way life should be. This is one place you can go and you don't have to read about wars and gas prices and all the other things that tend to ruin my day. So the longer I can stay out here with the one more cast, and even though I know I'm not going to catch a damn thing right here, there's always that 1 in a million shot that some 4-pound rainbow trout is stuck in the rocks. That's all right. But I can catch something right there. There's Canada goose shit everywhere. Every time I see Canadian geese, all I can think about is, those are Canada's gooses. If you got a problem with Canada's gooses, you got a problem with me, and I suggest you let that one marinate. That's from Letterkenny. Come on, just one more. I don't even care what size it is, just one more. Well, this is officially the last cast. Unless I catch a fish. If I catch fish, I'm going to cast one more time. Or if I get a bite. If I get a bite, I'm going to cast one more time. Actually, I'm going to just cast one more time because I actually didn't see that little rock right there. And this is going to officially be my last cast. Oh well, not a bad day. 2 hours, 10 minutes, about 18 fish, a mile on the Garmin, somewhat clean air. I have half a bag of cheddar flavored Chex Mix waiting for me in my truck. Bottle of water, and I am gonna, oh shit, head back. It's about an hour and 20 minutes. Uh-oh, which way did that come in? Oh my God, I'm lost. No, I'm not lost. could do like those people online and just say I'm lost and point the camera at the woods so I can get views and become rich beyond my wildest dreams. Anybody know what that distilled water's for? It's for balancing out, replenishing your batteries. That's one of the reasons why I'm so done with lead acid, is the amount of time and energy I put into maintaining them